Well, in this part of video, I will try to recreate the insurance plan class example with inherent. Well, this project has 4 modules in here, and what's new is the asset module, and vehicle module will inherit from the asset module, and the rest is similar with tiny modification. So to recreate this, we need to set a new project, console application, module 1, and add module asset. So name them directly here. Asset insurance plan. Add module. Insurance plan. Oh, sorry. And vehicle. Here we have our 4 modules, and we need to copy code from one to the other. In the asset module, we define our asset class here. This class will have a property of year, and the overrideable function is usable. We still use the same structure get and set to set the value of year property, but here the function property of the asset class is overridable. So we actually could modify this function property when we inherit all the property from the asset to other class. Here we will have the original is usable function will return a true value. So we could change it to other syntax as it's not the same as the original one. So we got the vehicle. Vehicle module, we need to, in the vehicle module, we inherit the property of asset and add another true property to the vehicle class, which is make and model. Since we already have the year property inside the asset class, so we don't need to create a property or named as year here, because we could inherit from asset module. Also, we inherit the is usable function from the asset module. So from the asset class. In the original class, we will have return true, but here we change it to return. This is still a logic variable, but it would depends on the date of today and the original year. We made it. Original year we inherit, or we defined here, my base year. So if this vehicle is used no more than 10 years, we would return true here, which is still the same as we have in the asset class. But if it is used for more than 10 years, it will return false. So it's not useful after 10 years. The insurance plan. The main part of the insurance plan module is still the same. We define property as policy name holder and age and vehicle property. But here we use two different methods to call the getting for function. First, if we use no argument to call the getting for function, this syntax we will run this syntax and get the policyholder's name printed out. But if we give argument to the getting for function, then we would print the policyholder's name and his age together. Well, the input argument should be a logic data type as 0 and 1s, and the later part is still the same thing. We define the initial value of the insurance plan class and override the finalize function here. Then we need to copy and paste our final part of code here. In the module 1, these are still the same as we did before, but we add the is useful and here. So by this syntax, we actually would run the is useful function inside the vehicle. So we actually defined the vehicle is produced in 2014. So we will still get a true here because it's still death and him. But if we change it to 2000, then it will return a false. Here we run it. Here it actually returns a false. Well,